यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे.
Hi, I am Suchit. Once again before you with new sets of proverbs. What are these proverbs? हिंदी में से बोलते हैं मुहावरे, कहावतें. There are few sayings which are acceptable, which are accepted in all countries alike. These are called proverbs. Few proverbs I have just jotted down for you, so that these are very popular proverbs, and these proverbs, mind you, it is exclusively dedicated on money. You say that what is money? Now I have just tried to delineate the importance of money through, and these are not my proverbs. These are proverbs in the offing. Everyone uses that, but for your benefit, these are being compiled together so that you can speak at a stretch. And these proverbs make your speech very, very lucid, very nice, fascinating to be looked at, to be heard of. Money does not grow on trees. Normally, if you are very extravagant, बहुत खर्च करने वाले होते हो, then you ask lots of money. Every time you ask money from your father chides you up. Sometimes he guides you also. Beta, spend cautiously. Money does not grow on trees. ये पैसे पेड़ पे नहीं फलते. हम लोग गाँव में बोलते हैं, हमारे दादा दादी इनको बोलते थे, पैसे पेड़ पे नहीं फलते. ये ऐसे नहीं बोले होंगे, क्योंकि ये मुहावरा है. ये मुहावरों को बोलते बोलते लोगों के जुबान पे बहुत आ जाती है. Now the same proverbs are in English. Money does not grow on trees. Don't spend so much. These are very important money. After all, money does not grow on trees. So you save money for the bad days. You should not be so much spending in nature. Save money. It is hard-earned money. So money does not grow on trees. I again repeat, money does not, or you can say doesn't grow on trees. I should say once again, money does not grow on trees. You should be very cautious, very careful in spending money. If you spend it without any rhyme or reason, you are going to repent today or tomorrow. So, my dear loving children, money does not grow on trees. You should take it as a principle of life. Time is money. Don't waste your time like that. Oh my God, I am not going to attend the party. I have to do some useful work for my concern, for my firm where I am working for. After all, time is money. Just imagine the time which you spend on useless and very frivolous issues. That time is waste. That could have been used for certain fruitful work. After all, time is money. Mother asked children, why are you sleeping for 11 hours, 12 hours, beta? You just get up. You do some work, do some exercise, and get up early and get prepared for your office. After all, time is money. Time is money. So the second proverb is time is money. Money talks. People with money can get their work done because money talks. कहता है ना, पैसा बोलता है. You must have seen in your locality, in your country itself, those who have money, they get their work done somehow or the other, either by greasing their hands or lubricating their wishes and aspirations, because money talks. Even though he purchased a very luxurious car, not needed of course. I don't know, he had lots of money and he purchased very luxurious car, even though he had few cars already. Maybe he could do, because money talks. So this is another proverb, that is money talks. Now let's see other word. Money cannot buy happiness. पैसा सब कुछ खरीद नहीं सकता. This is a very famous proverbs. My dear children, these are not only proverbs, but these are morals of life also. And these proverbs are also called guiding principles of life that teach you a lot. ये हंसते खेलते जीवन के हर पहलू को सिखा जाता है, which you need not go to any place for sermon, but if you learn these things, these proverbs, that proverbs, remembrance of the proverbs itself becomes a moral teacher for you. What is that? Money cannot buy happiness. He is under depression, even though he is millionaire. Money cannot buy happiness. So, money is not everything. I have seen many people going crazy after money. He has undergone a great depression. Why? He's crazy. People say, why? He's crazy. I don't know why did he why did he undergo so much of process for minting money? After all, money can't buy. Money cannot buy happiness. Happiness is one thing for which you require satisfaction. So the proverb is money can't buy happiness. Let's see some other one. The best thing in life are free. The best thing in life are free. Even though, even though we are poor but healthy, best thing in life are free. Children, have you ever paid for what air that you breathe? You don't pay to the nature. So how much we owe to this nature? We must plant as many trees in our life as many years we aspire to live. That is why our forefathers must have, thought of such kind of proverbs. The best thing in life are free. If you ever go to a foreign country like Singapore, as soon as you land there are certain oxygen chamber for free air, and they charge you some bucks. They charge you Singapore dollar. Hong Kong, Singapore, even as soon as you land on Heathrow Airport, there are certain chambers meant for free air. You breathe free air, which nature has given free of cost. Just see great moral which we all have to learn, so that we can plant more and more trees, because trees gives us fresh oxygen without charging anything from us. So how much we are indebted to nature, still we don't realize. Now let us move to other proverb. Save it for rainy day. It is not बरसात के लिए नहीं होता है. RAINY, rainy day. Save it for rainy day. बुरे वक्त के लिए बचाओ. Save it for a rainy day. What is that? Save your money. My dear loving children, फादर बोलते हैं ना, बच्चे को बोलते हैं अपने माँ बाप, इतना पैसा खर्च मत करो बेटा, बुरे वक्त के लिए बचाओ. Save some money for rainy day. Save it for a rainy day. The proverb is save it for rainy day. Save it for a rainy day. Save it for a rainy day. Save it for a rainy day. ऐसा नहीं कि पैसे आए झटाझट खर्च कर दिए, उसके बाद फिर भीख मांगने की नौबत में आ गए. From where to take that? From where to get this? Therefore, Indians have very good habit of saving. Our mothers, our sisters, our wives, they save something. स्त्री धन के रूप में they save. They have the habit. And when nobody is to fall back upon, you ask your mother, you ask your wife, you ask your sister, please give me some money, because they have saved it for a rainy day. Beggars can't be choosers. अब कभी आपने देखा है भिखारी को कि आपने कोई भीख दिया, वो बोलता नहीं यार 2 रुपये का नहीं दूंगा, मुझे 10 रुपये ही दो. Somebody gave someone a car and he complained, oh, he gave me a car which was old and very dirty. Come on, Beggars can't be choosers. जो मिला उसे रख लो. How can you choose something which you have been given in form of, I say, somebody has given you, gifted you, or given you free. So it is said beggars can't be choosers. Beggars can't be choosers. Next, you can't take it with you. Have you seen anyone dying and after his death he is taking all his belongings with him? No one. Everyone has come alone, has come empty-handed, and will go empty-handed. So when you die, you can't take money with you. So, ladies and gentlemen, my dear children, you have to do good things when you are alive. So you cannot take things when you die. There is no such thing as free lunch. Nothing is free. You must have seen in some ad free, what is called free 5 GB data. And while giving that, they will say you download this, you download that, and you purchase this thing for so many rupees, then you will get free data. It is truly said, nothing is for free. There is no such thing as free lunch. There is no such thing as free lunch. कुछ भी चीज मुफ्त में नहीं मिलता. Have you ever seen any scenario that some of the company they are saying you come, I'll give you free? They will ask you to perform a lot of things. So nothing comes for a, there is no such thing as free lunch. This is a proverb. A fool and his money are soon parted. A मूर्ख और उसका पैसा बहुत जल्दी ही एक दूसरे से जुदा हो जाता है. The proverb is, a fool and his money is soon parted. It is said that one who does not spend wisely, a fool and his money are soon parted. They have to be separated if you are not wise and cautious. So this is a very famous moral as well as a very famous proverb. Next is, you get what you pay for. Now somebody is complaining, यार I bought this speaker very cheap. सस्ता लोगे तो बहुत जल्दी खत्म हो जाएगा. Chinese products are very cheap. अरे यार Chinese product चलता नहीं है. तो यहाँ पे proverb क्या बना है? You get what you pay for. आप कोई American product ले लो, आप कोई German product ले लो, expensive but very durable. You get what you pay for. आप जैसा खर्च करोगे, हिंदी में बोलते हैं ना कि सस्ता रोए बार बार, महंगा रोए एक बार. आपने कभी प्रोडक्ट देखा है एप्पल का खराब होते हुए? एक बार खरीद लो, खराब कभी नहीं होगा. उसके नए नए मॉडल आ जाएंगे, लेकिन यू विल कीप ऑन यूजिंग फॉर जनरेशंस. लेकिन चाइनीज है, चाइनीज प्रोडक्ट को देखने के बाद ही इंडिया में सारे लोग बोलने लगे लिखो फेंको, खरीदो और फेंको. Such is the word and such is the adjectives attached with Chinese products. So you get what you pay for. लोग भी बोलते हैं जैसा मेहनत करो वैसा फल मिलेगा. So you get what you pay for. I always say that in order to get success of your choice, you have to perspire. Perspiration is very important. जितने पसीने बहाओगे उतना ही फल मिलेगा. Neither a borrower nor a lender be. Very famous. Neither a borrower nor a lender be. ना तो किसी से पैसे लो और ना ही किसी को दो. मैंने आज तक नहीं देखा है, यदि आपको दुश्मनी लेना है किसी से तो उसको आप पैसे दे दो उधार, ना आपको दोस्ती रहेगी और नहीं आपका पैसा आएगा. लड़ाई होना तय. इसीलिए क्या बोलता है? नीदर ए बोरोवर नॉर ए लेंडर बी. पैसे के पास इतनी ताकत है दोस्त कि आपको लड़ा के झगड़ा के मार देगा. ये देखते हो भाइयों में आपस में लड़ाई करते सब कट मर के मर जाते हैं. सर क्यों मरते हैं? Because everyone is directly blood related and they always feel that my portion is more, so I should get more. And why should I part even a single penny more to my brother? Same is the story with your friend. If you maintain, or if you ever want to maintain your friendship for lifelong, neither a borrower nor a lender be. कभी ना लो और ना कभी दो. ठीक है? Okay. Next is money makes the world go around. Money makes the world go around. ये महमूद की बहुत फेमस सिनेमा था. The whole thing is that सबसे बड़ा रुपया बोलता था. Because many people get attached and they are hovering around you because of money. The proverb is money makes the world go around. Money is the most important thing in life. आप लोग भी देखते होंगे आजकल किसी भी गवर्नमेंट ऑफिस के पास चले जाओ, सरकारी ऑफिस और स्टाफ कम रहेंगे, दलाल बहुत ज़्यादा रहेंगे. व्हाट फॉर? वो आपको सेवा देने के लिए नहीं है, वो आपको ठगने के लिए बैठे हुए हैं, लूटने के लिए बैठे हुए हैं. दे विल गिव यू ऑल लॉफ्टी प्रॉमिसेस ऑफ हेल्प. आजकल देखते होगे एटीएम चोर भी बहुत सारे खड़े हो गए. एवरी सिटी हैज लॉट मेनी एटीएम चोर्स, थीप्स. लाइए चाची आपकी मदद कर देता हूँ, लाइए आंटी मदद कर देता हूँ. आपका पैसा निकाला और उसके बाद उसका सारा चीज स्वैप कर लेता है. मनी इज द रूट ऑफ ऑल एविल. ये जितने भी दुनिया में पाप होते हैं उसके पीछे पैसा होता है. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज सेड मनी इज द रूट ऑफ ऑल एविल. पैसे ही सारे पाप का कारण है. The last is, it takes money to make money. He wanted to set up, or he wanted a loan of $50,000 or 50 lakhs rupees from the bank. Why? He wants to set up a factory. What for? Why he is taking money, so much of money? It is said, money makes money. It takes money to make money. पैसे नहीं होंगे तो फिर पैसा कमाओगे कैसे? So it takes money to make money. So my dear loving children and the aspiring children who are taking civil service examination, it is very important for you that you should understand the value of word power and these proverbs, very essential for you. If you remember these, your speech, your quality of talk, your quality of discussion will greatly be enhanced. Thank you very much.
यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि